So now in this example here, a car is purchased for $20,000. After each year, the resale value decreases by 20%. Was it? No, it was 30%. I remember in the question was 30%. So we're going to go with 30%. Okay, 30%. What will the resale value be after 4 years? It was after 4 years. Sorry about that. It looks like there was another question. So it's 30%. So let me just scratch out this and this. Okay, so it was 30%. Okay, the rate was 30%, and it's after 4 years. This is what we're really looking at. Okay, so now here I wrote everything down so we can, because this is short of time. So this is how we're gonna do it. Like this is the breakdown here on this side here. So we start with $20,000, then we multiply it by zero point 0.7. Why 0.7? You see, we're dealing with 30%, not right. So isn't 30% 0.3 when we convert it to decimal? But we're dealing with deduction. We want a deducted amount. Okay. What is the amount after the deduction? Okay. What is the amount after deduction? So we're looking at the other rate. So we do 100 minus 30, right? Is what? 70%. This is what we do when we want to find the amount after the percentage was deducted. So this is 70%, and we change that to decimal 0.7. Okay. If you don't understand that part, you can set up a tutorial session. We could talk about discounts and and tax increases and stuff like that. So 20,000 times 7, year one, 20,000 times 7, we got what? A total of 14,000. Now, after 1 year, the car value is at 14,000. At year two, now we're going to take that same 14,000, we're going to again multiply by 0.7, because remember, each year it's reduced by 30%. Okay, 0.7, the value is now at 9,800. At year three, okay, we start with that final value, which is 9,800. We times it by zero point 0.7, and it's now at 6,806. So now the car is at $6,860 after 3 years. After 4 years now, we are four, it's 6,860 times zero point 0.7 equals, right? 4,000. This is our final cost. Okay. But however, there is a equation or formula you can use for that. This is a exponential equation here we're dealing with. Okay. And the way it goes, this is the equation y, okay, equals, right? It's like this, y equals p, right? Y equals p by 1 minus r to the n power. This is the equation for stuff like this. We're dealing with compounding depreciation, okay? So, and this is how we do it. So we just, y, this is your p, 1 minus the r, which is the 30%, right? Will give you the 0.7, and then the n is the number of years here. Once you plug in all that information, put in a calculator, you're going to get your final result as 4802 after 4 years. All right. So I hope this helped. If you have any comments, question, you can leave it there for me. And if you like what I show here, what I display, we just short of time, I'm just quickly showing you. Well, with our session, recorded sessions and stuff, I can quickly go more into details, and and you'll learn this a lot more better. So thank you. Check out my profile. I love what I'm doing.